Who wants 12 RX 470 8GB cards? 12 RX freaking 470 8GB cards. These are pretty much not worth anything, but I'm willing to pack them all up in a single box and send it to somebody. So hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. Oh my god, it's freaking cold right now. It's 38 Fahrenheit, and for my non-American friends, it's 3 degrees Celsius. It feels like it's freezing right now, but that's because I have all my Octominers off for the past week. Alright guys, today's video, I'm gonna install my CMP 100-210 GPUs. Well, probably just a single rig, because I mainly want to see what type of hash rates I can get, and also see if these cables that I was just sent from the veteran miner, these are the specific cables for the Octominer X12s into those CMP 100-210s. So I know a lot of people have had time to play around with these cards, but they come with this dual 8-pin into EPS, like a CPU connector. You guys can see like the 8-pin PCIe there going into an EPS CPU pin layout, okay, as you guys can see right here. So there was definitely a reason why they came with the adapter for 2 8-pins into a single, CPU connector, which I believe the power requirements for these GPUs, I think it was 250 watts. That's if I was going to run these at max, TDP, which I'm obviously not going to be doing. But the biggest reason for these cables was to also help with cable management, as these Octominer X12s or the PCSP, the cheap $220 Octominer X12s with the RX 470s, which I really gotta take these GPUs out, is gonna be hindered by the stock PCIe cables. Might have an issue trying to cable manage, but we'll open one in a sec and we'll go through all that right after a word from today's video sponsor.
Looking to earn profitably during your crypto mining journey? Look no further than asicmarketplace.com, where they sell all the latest crypto miners and provide fast shipping service. At asicmarketplace.com, the price you see is the price you pay. Shipping and DDP right to your door are included, no surprises at checkout. Pay your way with secure options like direct bank transfer or crypto payments like Bitcoin, USDT, or even Caspa. Ready to save even more? Use code RPM at checkout and get $100 off each ASIC order. Join the asicmarketplace.com community today and mine smarter, not harder. Links down below.
Okay, I just took one off the shelf. Okay, so here's a brand new, I guess, Octominer X12 with the 3 750 watt PSUs, which we'll talk about in a sec. That might be an issue if I did stock power, of course, on the CMP cards. So my plan is to put 12 of these CMP 100-210 cards in this Octominer X12. I think it's the first gen Octominer, and they already have the RX 470 8GB cards in these, which we had these on for about like a good, I think, couple weeks mining Ergo, and it was great, but not efficient at all with these GPUs, so I gotta take these out. So there are PCIe cables in these already, but they're all the 8-pin, okay? It looks like 8-pin to 8-pin PCIe cables, and these will not work into the CMP 100-210s unless I use the adapter here for 2 8-pins. But yeah, it's EPS connector into the CMP 100-210, so these would not work directly. Now, I've seen a lot of people fit these CMP 100-210s in this Octominer specifically by also moving the fans outside and then also swapping them around to blow out that way so the air can come in through the cards this way and out this way, which I do want to try, but I want to try blowing the air in this way first and see how it goes, because my setup for my whole Octominer wall here is supposed to have the air going out that way, and if I have my Octominer this way, the back, and the air goes in this way, then my power cables and Ethernet and such have to be on this side, which would suck. I have to redo it all and essentially swap everything over. So I might have to do that, but that's only if these cards are getting too hot, but you guys can let me know. I guess maybe summertime I might have that issue. Right now it's winter, so it's extremely cold right now. Okay, don't want to waste any time. I'm going to take all these cards out, and then I'm going to put in the CMP 100-210s, and then I want to put these fans up in the front. Okay, so we'll do that in a snap. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I wanted to just stop in the middle here. I just wanted to showcase the amount of room in between the fan and the CMP 10210s here. Okay, not much room in between, but still okay. But yeah, I won't be able to fit the 8-pin CPU cable with these 120 mil fans here. Okay, it's really not enough room, so I've already taken out 3 just to showcase to you guys. So I'm gonna backtrack a little bit here. I did say I was gonna do it in this orientation so the air would be blowing in, but you know what, more that I think about it, I think I might as well have it out, because I did hear from a lot of people saying having the air going out this way through the cards, because I think natively these CMP 10210s, even though these are passive, right, there's no fan, I believe it is better to have the air go in this way and then out this way. And I had a lot of people tell me that. So you know what, I'm just gonna do that. We're gonna have the fans blowing out this way. So just want to stop in the middle here, but I'm gonna swap all the fans out, put all the cards in, put all the cables in, and then we'll turn it on. Here we go. Okay, actually one more stop. I had to reroute the power cables for the 4-pin fans, obviously through outside of the case into the case, obviously, because we're moving the fans outside. So this part here, I had to take this out like this. I'll show you guys here. Basically all the 4 fans, I pulled it out like this, okay, and then I routed it through this little notch, just like that, okay, in order for me to get the power cable for the fan through on the side here. Thought I would showcase that. Okay, putting all the GPU's fans in. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Okay, I was sweating a little bit because I was worried that the veteran miner cables would be, hitting these fans here, but I found out that I'll just be able to, cable tie all these together and move them at the top here, so it shouldn't hopefully hit the fans. And reason why I was sweating was because I should have put these on in here so that no cables or anything would get shredded by the fan. But should be fine, should be fine. I didn't put in the last 2 cables for the last 2 GPUs. I just wanted to showcase veteran miners cables here, okay? So it's 6-pin, okay, which goes into the breakout board in the Octominer, okay? They're all 6-pin, and then it goes out into a EPS 8-pin, okay? CPU 8-pin for the CMP 10210s specifically, okay? So Veteran Miner sells this kit on their website just for the CMP 10210s and for this Octominer, okay, for people that bought these. So if you're interested, link down below. Now though, I do have a little bit of disclaimer, okay? One thing I'm kind of worried about, since these are TDP about 250 watts, now I know nobody's probably going to run these at 250 watts, but in any case, if that does happen, the Veteran Miner made 16 gauge cabling, okay? These are 16 gauge. So I believe the capacity he can go up to these is 300 watts. Now, don't take my word for it, but another thing is I was looking at the stock cable here and these are 18 gauge. So I don't have a amp meter or one of those clamp power meters to read the, amperage and voltage on these cables or even the Veteran Miner cables. So just be wary, don't run full TDP on these, or if you're running kapow, over 200 watts on these things, just be careful. I'm not going to be running kapow or progpow on these cards. I'm going to be mining memory, lower power, Zealous or something like that. Or if I am going to do kapow, I'm going to power limit way the heck down, because as well, I only have 750 watt PSUs in here. So I only have 2200 watts or 2300 watts combined HP server 750 watt PSUs. Now I do have 1200 watts, but I don't have them with me. So I was going to replace them in this Octominer so that I could have the, extra capacity. Because if you do the math, 12 times 250, well, that's 3000 watts. So I would need to replace those PSUs, but we're going to mine Zealous on these GPUs. That's going to be under, I think, 120 watts, so it should be fine on 3 750 watts. I want to test that in this video real quick. So let's do that now. I'm going to put the last 2 cables in, cable manage it, make sure it's all up and it's not going to go in the fans, and then put the case on, then go to my Hive OS and unset the flight sheet so that it's not going to mine because I don't have the overclocks or anything set. So I would not want this to mine full TDP, okay? So be right back. Who wants 12 RX 470 8GB cards? Just comment down below your guys' thoughts about anything in this video, and I will choose the winner in 24 hours, okay? 12 RX freaking 470 8GB cards. These are pretty much not worth anything, but I'm willing to pack them all up in a single box and send it to somebody. So Good luck, guys. Good luck. All right, get your comments in. Oh my God. Okay, guys. All right, so my Octominer wall now looks funky. So here is the one with the fans blowing. The air is going to be blowing out this way, okay? Freaking cold in here right now. But let's turn it on, okay? So I only have this Octominer plugged in. The other four are already unplugged, so let's turn on the PDU. 3, 2, 1. Please work. No smoke, please. Okay, a lot of cool air coming out. All right, is it turned on? Yeah. I don't smell any smoke. Oh, I smell dust. God. Okay, let's see if it shows up in HiveOS. I don't think so. I already unset the flight sheet on all of them because I don't know which one is which. I'm assuming it's going to be number 10. Okay, refreshing, and yeah, nothing's coming up yet. Gonna give it a second until oh man, a lot of air is coming through here. Right through the front. This is actually insane. This hopefully should cool the CMP 100 210s well. So when I eventually put in the other CMP 100 210s, I think I have about another set of 3 Octominers I can fill, or 2. And so I'll swap those around and swap the PDU cables the other way and network cables going this way. So the hot air, which is blowing this way right now, they're gonna blow that way instead. So out my exhaust fan, I guess for the summertime. And then I have a bunch of newer mining GPUs I just bought recently. Those are coming. Okay, I just heard their fans ramp down. Oh, that looks like a good sign. And let's see what HiveOS looks like. And yes, it's on 12 GPUs. Yeah, Octominer number 10. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Yes, CMP 100 210s. Beautiful. Oh my God, they're all on. Perfect. Okay, I got no overclocks, nothing. Okay, I'm gonna set that all up right now and let's see what this baby does on Zealous. I'm gonna update it first. It works. Okay. We're mining Zealous now on this whole rig. These are the numbers that I'm getting here. These are my overclock settings that I have. Not sure if this is the opportune overclocks, but this is what we tested back then in the live stream. Let me know if you guys have any better numbers for these cards. But yeah, look at that. They're all mining now. 115 to 105 watts. The whole rig is using 1529 at the wall, according to the Octominer, but actually I can see at the PDU exactly. It actually shows 1494, 90, pretty much 1500 watts for this single rig. And it is really cold. The fans are at 30%, I believe. Yeah, 30%. So yeah, this rig is, because it's really cold in here. You can see the GPU temps are here. Let me refresh here. Of course, we just started, so it's just ramping up right now. But yeah, look at the temps. They're all pretty low right now. But come summertime, I'm excited to see what these GPUs can do, assuming I change out the power supplies. But yeah, 36 kilohash, 35 kilohash, that's pretty good. But how profitable is this rig right now? Well, I put in hashrate.no. Okay, so it's only making about $1 a day right now after my 7-cent kilowatt hour at this location here. So the all in taxes, everything, yeah, only $1. I mean, hey, better than nothing. Better than nothing. All right, guys, that's it. That's all I wanted to do in this video. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Oh my God, that was that took me about a good hour to get this whole rig up and going. And well, it's one of my first times setting up the CMP 100 210 cards in the Octominer, or the PCSP Octominer X12. So happy that works, and we'll see how long it works. And yeah, I hope this heats up the barn, because yeah, it's definitely not going to heat up the barn. I don't feel any heat coming out of here at all. Nothing. It's way too cold in here. It is way too cold. 39 Fahrenheit, man. Okay, bros. Thanks for watching. Let me know your guys' thoughts, and don't forget to comment down below. I'm willing to send out all 12 of these RX 470 8GB cards to one lucky winner. Okay? Alright, you guys can enjoy these cards, because yeah, I wasn't gonna enjoy these. I was actually thinking about making like a wall with RX 470s, but Might as well give it to somebody who wants these. So comment down below just your thoughts about anything and I'll choose the winner. I'll pin your comment after 24 hours. If you have won, just gotta email me at contact@redpandamining.com if I replied to your comment and that you won. Okay, I'll see you all in the next video. Let me know your thoughts. Have a good one. Peace out. Peace out. Yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful.